Hello to a next video. Today I show you how I make this animated chart diagram. I show you. This is the diagram. I press play. And now you see this is animated, and I show you how I make it. At first I have here a new sheet, a new file, and I delete the text. And now I show you how which diagram I use. I don't use these 3D 2D diagrams. I use this interactive. So I scale it. So, and standard is here the months. April, May, June, July. And when you click the right mouse button, you can change the values. You have here standard 4 values, and you can change that. I delete the months. And I delete in the middle. If you like the value, at first so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm like that, and now my value, my target value is 1000. To example, I have divided the value 1000 and I write here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Yes, this is the value 1, and this you can make any times. Now I go to my diagram, and you see here value 1 and another text. I don't need that. I write here value 2, so I can scale, and now I have my values and example. If you animate this one, I click 1 and you see it's animated automatically. And this I have made with this one. I show you my values. I edit the diagram, and you see here in the last one is my target value is this one, and I have divided 10 times, and you see here is my target value, here is the first value, and if you see, I have 10 times this value added, and my target value is in the final, is in the last one. And so I have made this simple animated diagram animation, charts animation, and now you see that it looks very fine. And this was finished. See you next time.